Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to discuss about bowel wash. What is meant by bowel wash or colonic lavage is defined as washing out of colon with large quantities of solution. Colon means large intestine. This large intestine, if any inflammation or any infection or any dirt particles are there, that colon should be washed out if any feces has been expelled by using large quantities of prescribed solution. Okay, what are the main purposes? To prepare for diagnostic examination and to relieve inflammation, to stimulate peristalsis movement, and to dilute and remove toxic agents, and to reduce the temperature in hypopyrexia, and to relieve fecal incontinence, to supply medications locally, to clean the colon of feces, gas and barium. Okay, to treat infections and other pathological condition of colon, we must be cleaned or washing out of the colon after the feces has been expelled. Okay, we must use a large quantity of solution for this. And what are the contraindications? Rectal infection, that means the infection which occur at the rectum, and fistula in anus, and painful bleeding hemorrhoids. Okay, painful bleeding hemorrhoids, these are very painful to passage of feces, okay, fecal matter, and painful skin lesions around the anus, and loose sphincter, that means sphincter controls are low, so they are unable to control the motion or urine, etc. And after that, any diverticulum of the intestine. Okay, this is about the contraindications of the bowel wash. And next one, what are the solutions used for this? Are tap water, cold water, or normal saline, or sodium bicarbonate, and antiseptic solution, silver nitrate and potassium magnate, boric solution, tannic acid and alum. Okay, and what are the general instructions for this? First one, a cleaning enema should be given 1 hour before the colon irrigation. Before we do colon irrigation, 1 hour before we must give enema. Okay, and the bladder should be emptied before colonic irrigations. And after that, the solution and the temperature of the solution is kept constant throughout the procedure, and then allow only 200 to 300 ml of fluid to run into the rectum at a time. Make sure that the return flow is not blocked. Use a smooth and flexible rectal tube and lubricate it well. Okay, we must use a smooth and flexible rectal tube and lubricate it well. And after that, prevent air entry into the intestines and stop the procedures temporarily. The patient complains of pain. And after that, listen to the complaints of the patient and should not ignore any discomfort, however small they may be. Okay, and if any prevent air entry into the intestines, because flatus will be any gas or any flatus will be there, we must be removed. And after that, what are the methods used for bowel irrigation? Funnel and catheter and two tube method. Okay, and what are the solutions used? We already seen cold water, plain water, normal saline, sodium bicarbonate, antiseptic solutions and boric solution, tannic acid and alum. And what is the temperature of this? For cleaning purpose, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and for reducing temperature, 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And what are the articles required for this bowel wash? A tray containing colonic lavage set with tubing and glass connection, and after that, rectal tube, Vaseline, rug pieces or tissue papers, and Macintosh, kidney tray, bucket, solutions, bedpan with lid, duster or towel, perennial toilet tray, clean disposable gloves, and plastic apron. Okay, these are the articles required for this bowel wash. Bowel wash means nothing but the washing out of colon with large quantities of solution. And before procedure, we must check the doctor's order and diagnosis of the patient, and what is the assess the general condition of the patient and self care ability of the patient. And then mental status to follow instructions, and any contraindications are there we must be observed, and need for any extra help, articles available in the unit we must be get ready with that articles. And after that, preparation of the patient and the environment, we must be explain the procedure to the client and arrange the articles at the bedside, provide privacy, provide place the Macintosh and towel under the patient, and place the patient in left lateral position. Keep the bucket on a low stool to receive the outflow of fluid. Remove the backrest and extra pillows. Okay, and what are the equipments we already seen. And after that, procedure. What is procedure? Wash hands. First we have to wash our hands thoroughly with a Dettol solution, and after that prepare the solution at the required temperature. Okay, we have to prepare that solutions with the required temperature. For cleaning purpose 104 degrees, for reducing temperature 80 to 90 Fahrenheit. And after that, attach the tubing and the rectal tube with the funnel. Pour solution in it. We are attached the tubing to tubing and rectal tube with the funnel. Pour solution in that funnel and check for any leakage. Okay, first we have to check that tubing. If any leakages are there, replace that one. Okay, and after that, lubricate the tip of the rectal tube about 4 inches and separate patient's buttocks to visualize anus clearly, and insert tip of tube about 4 to 5 inches while patient takes deep breath. Okay, while insert this tube, the patient must be takes deep breath. Okay, 4 to 5 inches. Insert the tube inside. While inserting this tube, the patient may takes deep breath. Okay, and after that, lower funnel below level of rectum and empty return flow into bucket. Fill funnel again, pour 200 to 300 ml of fluid each time, and raise funnel and allow fluid to run continuously. Okay, and after that we must repeat this process till return flow is clear. And after remove that rectal tube by using rack pieces. Okay, after cleaning, we must remove the rectal tube by using rack pieces and discard rack pieces into K basin and place patient comfortably, and provide bedpan if needed, and change the linen if soiled. Replace equipment after cleaning, hand wash, record the procedure in nurse's record sheet. Okay, this is about bowel wash. What is bowel wash? Bowel wash is defined as washing out colon with large quantities of solution. And what are the purposes? To prepare for diagnostic and to relieve inflammation, to stimulate peristalsis, to dilute and remove toxic agents, and after that to reduce temperature in hypopyrexia, to relieve fecal incontinence, to supply medications locally. Okay, and after that, contraindications: rectal infection, fistula in anus, and painful bleeding hemorrhoids. These are the contraindications. And solutions we seen, and procedure. Okay, these all are about bowel wash. It should be given to the patient who are suffered with an rectal infection, fistula in anus, and hemorrhoids, painful bleeding. Those patients will need this bowel wash. Okay, thank you.